Happy birthday, twins.
A computer and a car. Thanks, Mom and Dad.
Kelly, go ahead and open your present.
What the hell?
What'd you expect? Condoms?
Nice present, Kelly.
Shut up, Duck.
Skank.
I'm gonna backslap you, shitbag.
Stop fighting. You two are twins. Goodness sake. Don't they have the same thoughts?
Shit.
PlayStation.
Fiscal responsibility.
Tom Skerritt.
Kelly, where are you going?
Ow.
Kelly, what are you gonna do with your life?
I'm going to get what I want. Christ. Oh my God, cheers. Let's get some shit. Let's get some shit. Let's get some shit. Let's get some shit. Cheers. Cheers. Oh my God, cheers. Cheers. These shoes rule. These shoes suck. These shoes rule. These shoes suck. Cheers. 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 Oh my God, cheers. These shoes rule. These shoes suck. These shoes suck. These shoes suck.
I think you have too many shoes.
Shut up.
I think you have too many shoes.
Shut up.
I think you have too many shoes.
Shut up.
I think you have too many shoes.
Shut up. Stupid boy. Stupid boy. Let's get some shit. Let's party. These shoes are $300. These shoes are $300. These shoes are $300 fucking dollars. Let's get 'em. This style runs small. I don't think you're gonna fit. I mean, your fader kind of bag. Oh. 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 Oh, by the way, bitch. Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you!
We love you! Oh my God, shoes. Well, kind of. Yeah.